What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, this is just a simple trick in order for you to achieve your goals, okay, na hindi kayo nape-pressure. Alright? So again, a lot of questions na receive ko is, paano ba ako mag-set ng goals? How do I manage to achieve them in the shortest period of time possible? And a lot of things, okay? So tandaan nyo, sa pagtitrade, napakaraming factors affecting your results, performance. Okay, nandyan yung technicals, fundamentals, sentiment, nandyan din yung ating trading psychology, risk management. So, napakaraming factors that you have to consider when it comes to improving your overall results. Pero paano nga ba natin ma-achieve yung ating goals? Okay, in terms of quantifiable targets, okay, let's say an amount of $2,000. Okay, when I was starting, I was really greedy, okay, of achieving that. Hence, nag-backfire yun dahil I am risking more than 30 to 40% of my account just to achieve that. Okay, tandaan nyo, maliit pala yung account nung ginagamit ko ng account, and that affects yung performance. At the same time, of course, masusunugan ka talaga dahil wala kang risk management and you are eager na magmadali to achieve that result, okay, or achieve that target of $2,000, for example. So a simple trick na natutunan ko, hindi naman siya actually trick but naging discipline siya, that eventually nag-benefit ako when it comes to achieving quantifiable targets. So anong ginagawa ko? Let's say for example, I do have $2,000 target profit, so I will break that down into smaller targets. Okay, in that way hindi ako pressured, and in that way hindi ako nagre-risk na malaki kasi I know I am just doing baby steps towards my goals. Hindi ako nagmamadali, unlike other people na nagtitrade ng mataas na lot size for them to achieve or ma-achieve nila yung goal nila of that amount. So, tandaan nyo, we should treat trading as a business. Hindi to sugal, wherein you have to risk more to earn more. Okay? In some ways, okay, effective yan for some people. But, for you guys na nagsisimula pa lang or even intermediate na hindi naman ganun pa kalaki yung account, or simply, sisimula pa lang kayo, okay, might as well make it a habit na you should set target na realistic at achievable at your current state of your capital. Okay, hindi pwedeng $100 and then you're achieving $2,000. Okay, you can win by luck. Okay, tandaan nyo, everyone can win by luck. Okay, but the truth of the matter is you have to be consistent para ma-achieve nyo yung goals nyo. Okay, so I am a firm believer na compounding is one way para mag-succeed ka sa industry to. Okay? It doesn't matter whether it is a dollar or two, okay, $100, $200 in every trade na napapatalunan mo. But ang point dito is, small growth is still a growth overall. Okay? Ang goal natin is a bullish trend of performance. Hindi yung consolidation wherein big win, big loss, big win, sunog. Okay, so maraming nakaka-experience niyan, lalo na sa mga baguhan yun, even intermediate, lalo na yung mga 2 years na or 3 years na nagka-trade. But still, they do have that performance of a consolidation, like, you know, kung titignan nyo yung chart. Okay, so ang goal natin is a bullish like performance and results. Hindi pwedeng sa walang bahala natin yung risk management and trading psychology. Lagi ko sinasabi yan, technicals, everyone can learn technicals. You can learn technicals from my channel, from this channel. So, as I always say, it is not enough na matuto lang kayo ng technical aspects when it comes to forex trading. So, again, you have to consider a lot of things. Psychology, risk management, sentiments. So, again, well-equipped trader is well-rounded when it comes to his knowledge. Okay, so sabi ko nga, if you want technicals, check out my channel. Marami kayong matutunan dito when it comes to technicals. But it is really hard to learn trading psychology and risk management without you doing the actual trading itself. Okay? You have to gain more experience. So, lagi ko sinasabi, give it time. Huwag kayong magmadali, guys, when it comes to achieving your goals. Okay? Lalo na sa quantifiable targets. Hindi madali. Okay? Pero it is worth it na maka-experience kayo ng lot of things. Okay? It may be a few losses. Okay? Because in that way, you will learn. Okay? But not to a point na you're always losing and burning your accounts, which means there's something wrong in your psychology or risk management. You have to set a limit when it comes to risk. Okay? A good risk management, more or less around 2 to 3% of your account. Okay? Lalo na kung nagsisimula kayo. But habang lumalaki yung account nyo, tandaan nyo, paliit ng paliit dapat yung risk nyo. Hindi palaki ng palaki. Okay? So, dapat inversely proportional yung growth nyo dun sa risk allocation. Okay? Huwag kayong gumaya sa iba na habang lumalaki yung account, lumalaki rin yung lot size, lumalaki rin yung risk. So, which means, there's also a high potential na masunog ka ulit. Okay? So, again, this is just a simple way para malinawan kayo that goal setting is important, but you have to be realistic and you have to be aware that your goal must be achievable, okay, kung ano man yung current state ng capital mo. Alright? So, I hope this video helps. This is just a small talk for you guys, but I hope lagi kayo may napupulot na aral from me. And yeah, see you on the next videos. God bless to everyone and happy holidays. Bye-bye.
So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright.